Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to connect Stripe to your account and start accepting online payments. With this integration you will easily manage your transactions. You will be able to generate payment links and send them automatically through notifications or manually via SMS, emails or messengers. Track payments. When a client pays, it will show up in our system instantly. Track the history of created payments and their statuses. Say goodbye to those long messages with account and bank details. Accept payments and prepayments, all within legal requirements. Automate your payment sending process. Work from any device. Accept payments online, offline, or on-site. Set up quick payment forms right after your client approves an estimate. And the best part is for your clients, they can pay with any available payment method. Credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, QR code, and local payment systems depending on where you are operating. Please note, Stripe integration is available from the startup plan. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, you'll need to register on the website and provide information about your company going through the authorization process. We use Stripe payment links for this integration, which allow your customers to see a list of services and products they need to pay for. To connect an integration, first enable test mode in the upper right corner in your Stripe account. This will allow you to see and copy secret keys. In your Stripe account, navigate to Dashboard, Developers, API Keys. In our system, go to Settings Integrations and find the Stripe integration. Click on it and check the Integration Enabled box. Add a merchant by clicking the plus merchant button. Choose which locations will use this merchant's payment system. For example, if you have multiple locations, you can connect a separate merchant or legal entity for each location. Specify a title, add the API secret key from your Stripe account. In the cash box field, select one of the non-cash boxes in your account. When a client pays using the generated link, the payment will be recorded in this chosen cash box. We recommend creating a separate cash box for easier control and management of these payments. You can do this on the Finances page. Check this box to make links shorter, especially if you plan to send links via SMS. Click the Add button to complete the setup. The integration is now added. Remember, you can manage access for your employees too. On the Settings page, go to Employees, Roles, and here you can choose who has access for creating and deleting links. Let's look at how this works, starting with creating a payment link. You can do this manually, in an order, or on the Finances Payment Links page. Also, you can set up automatic creations through the public forum. Let's first look at how to create a link manually. Open the desired order, go to the Payments and Invoices tab, and click the plus Payment Link button. Or go to the Finances Payment Links page and click the plus Payment Link button. Select the merchant. If you have different locations and configured separate merchants for each, it will be selected automatically. Next, fill in the payment details. In the Payer field, select an existing client from the database or create a new one. If you are creating a link in an order, the payer will be added automatically from an order. The Amount field specifies the amounts to be paid for this client. If you are creating a link in an order, the amount the client needs to pay will be automatically entered. In the Payment Comment field, information with the order number and product is automatically filled if you are creating a link in an order. You can modify the comment text. This text will be displayed to the client during payment and will also be used as the payment purpose. Finally, click the Create button. Note that you can create multiple links for one client and for one order too. For example, you can send one link for a prepayment and later send another for the remaining balance. How to set up automatic link creation. Go to Settings, Public Pages, and enable online payment in the Orders section. Choose which statuses will display the payment button and select the status the system should assign to an order after the payment. Note that you can create new statuses for this purpose. Below, specify the default merchant, which determines where the funds will be credited to. You can set up different merchants for different locations. Be sure to click the Save button at the end. Now, when a client opens the public form and clicks the Pay button, a link will be automatically created in the connected order. Later in the video, you will learn how to automate sending this public form to the client. How to edit or delete a payment link. To view more information or delete a link, double-click on it in the General table or in the order. Note that deleting is only possible if the link is in the Created or Seen status. After deleting it, the payment status will automatically change to deleted, and the ability to make a payment will disappear when following a link. After creating a payment link, you can send it to the client manually or automatically. Manual sending. Copy the link and choose your preferred messenger. If the client contacted you via chats, Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp, send the payment link directly in that channel. Automatic sending. Two options are available here. Send the payment link directly in the SMS or send a link to the public form in the SMS. For the first option, create an order status such as Stripe payment. Set up automatic notification sending for the status, including the variable order payment URL. Please note, if multiple payment links exist, the last active link will be sent. The client clicks the link and goes directly to the payment page. Second option, public form link. Create another status called payment. Set up automatic notification using the variable estimate client URL. The client is directed to the public form to review details and click the Pay button. If you previously sent a prepayment link and now send a public form for the remaining payment, the client can see payment history and make the correct remaining payment. Additionally, you can print payment links as QR codes in document templates. To do this, on the Settings Print Templates page, choose the desired document and add the variable Order Payment QR code. When a client makes a successful payment, the payment link automatically changes to Paid status, and the payment of the type Income is created in the connected cash box. All created links can be seen in the General table on the Finances Payment Links page, or within the specific order if the link was created from an order. In the General table, you can see the following information: employee who created the link and the time of link creation, merchant, current status such as created, seen, paid, and deleted, related document if any exists such as an order, client for whom the link was created, payment link, and payment amount. You can search the table by clicking on any column name. At the top of the table, you can filter links by creation date, merchant, and status. To apply filters, select the desired value and click the Apply button.
To work with online payments, you can also use our mobile app. Simply select an order, scroll down, and click on the Plus Payment link option. Enter the amount and create the payment. Then you will see the QR code display, which you can show to your client if you are working on-site, enabling you to accept payments offline or in the field. When your client scans the code, they will be directed to the payment page. If needed, you can click on the QR code to copy the link and share it with your client in any way. This feature allows you to accept payments anytime and anywhere. Now you know how to connect Stripe with our system and manage your payments and prepayments.